welcome to Run Deals. Today I have this grow light for indoor plants that are simply amazing, guys. They come with 6 heads of grow light that will efficiently supplement the lack of natural sunlight to promote the plant growth. This beauty comes with this remote control as well as this inserted one that is in the light itself, or you're going to be able to control all of the different settings. So for example, you have the option of changing up to 10 different dimmable options. Also guys, you have 3 different light spectrums to choose from. And then the best part, guys, is that you have 5 different light functions. That means that you can choose either to have 2 of them on and everything else off, or just have all of them on at the same time. So that is also controllable with this remote control. This product also includes 3 different circular timings of 4, 8, as well as 12 hours. The goosenecks are all flexible, so that way you can orient the light the way you prefer. And the tripod, guys, comes with an adjustable height as well. So I really hope you will enjoy this amazing product, guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.